magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, it's intimidating at first, but once you do it once, you just have muscle memory on your side. But what I usually do is I lay the yard across my hand, like so. I'll kind of like grab it between these two fingers. We wrap it around all the way. So now you have it looped all the way around. Then we take the tail end, right? The part that you're holding. We're gonna make a cross. Just make a little X on top of there. And from there, we're gonna take our hook, go under that first loop that you made, right? So it's the bottom part of the X. And then you're gonna grab that top part of the X that you just pulled over and pull under that first part. And you kind of twist, and then bam! You have a magic ring. It's magic.